Hi everyone, this is Steven and this is
Great.
Great. What do you do for work, Greg?
I work in IT, data warehousing.
Data warehousing. Wow, very interesting. And Greg, how many times do you come to work out a week?
4-5 times.
4 or 5 times. So what do you do?
Dance class, combat,
Come back, yes?
do a bit of hits as well online,
Okay.
body weight exercises,
What do you exercise?
dumbbells.
Good. This is actually 50 gym mates in 50-week series. So one of the things that we're trying to do is trying to motivate people to come to do workout. Now, how do you motivate yourself to start doing workout?
Well, the primary reason is to get fit and be healthy.
Yeah?
Because at one stage I wasn't
Okay.
very overweight.
Okay. Overweight. Yeah. You're overweight. Look at that. He's not overweight. This is overweight. When I first started, the reason why I'm going to the gym is going after as well. So that was my motivation, right? And I was overweight too. That's how I got the nickname Koala, right? Because I was really big. Good. So you are trying to keep yourself healthy.
I want to be like a king.
I'm looking.
I want to get to 80 years old and do 3 classes a day.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, the classes is starting soon, and we really thank you. Great, you have been one of the very consistent person that I always look up to as well in content classes. So thank you so much for that, guys. Like and subscribe for more video like this, and I'll see you around next time. And thanks, Greg. Thanks again.
Thanks, Steven.
Thanks, guys. Cheers. You said today.
All right.